Hi guys, my name is Leslie Capo, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to dispose of a dead body, more specifically how to hide a dead body and not get caught. So let's get into it. Alright, so if you're into some crazy weird stuff, or maybe you just find yourself with a dead body on accident, you're gonna need these steps. Trust me, they're gonna help you out so much. And I'm really looking forward to teaching you guys how to hide your own dead body. Now, I don't claim to be an expert in any way. I haven't murdered anybody or gotten away with it. Or maybe I have. I guess you won't know. But I am super into true crime. I watch all the podcasts, so I know a lot about the killers that get caught, but more importantly, about the killers that don't get caught. Alright. After listening to me, you're gonna know how to hide a body and never get caught for your crimes. Of course, it's probably not the best idea to be killing anybody in the first place, but I'm here to help you so that you don't get in trouble, don't get caught, all the good stuff. Alright, so in this speech, you're going to be learning about the dead animal method, you're going to learn about the fake tip method, and you're going to learn about the cement method. Now, all of these methods are from the internet. I didn't come up with any of them. I wish I was that smart, but you're going to learn a bit about them. Alright, so very first point, we're going to be talking about the dead animal method. Now, obviously this animal that I put up here isn't dead, but I used a possum because it likes to play dead, and I didn't really want to put a dead animal on my PowerPoint slide, so that was really for you guys. So, this in my opinion is one of the best ways to hide a body. The whole point of this method is to dig a really, really deep hole and bury the body. The next step, after you bury it in a very deep hole, make sure it's really deep, you're going to want to put a dead animal a few feet above the body. So you're going to cover up that first hole and put a dead animal. Then, after you've put the dead animal, you cover it up all the way, completely sealed. And that way, when the cadaver dogs come, they're going to alert the police officers, be like, hey, there's a dead body here. They're going to dig it up, and it's just going to be a dead animal, and they're going to think that's what alerted the cadaver dogs, and they're going to move on. Alright, so now that we've talked about the dead animal method, we're going to be talking about the fake tip method, which I would say, hey, this is illegal, so be careful about it. But you know what? You're with a dead body. You've already killed someone or come across a dead body. So, I mean, it's illegal, but so is that. So in this method, which is a pretty simple one, you or someone you trust makes an anonymous tip to the police about a dead body. Now, I don't suggest using someone you trust because, I wouldn't tell anybody that you've killed someone. That's number one, how you get caught. But anyways, you explain to them that you know there's a dead body buried in this exact place. It's a good idea to make it a place that's hard to reach. So then after that, the police are going to dig it up, search it, just cover it in holes and refill them. They're going to find that there's nothing there. Then you're going to head out and you're going to dig those holes up and you're going to put the body there. And they're not going to check it again because they already checked it once. Now, the third point is going to be the cement method. So we've already discussed the dead animal method, and we've talked about the fake tip method. Now we're moving on to cement. This is going to be a great one, by the way, one of my favorites. So, this one requires some money, skill, and possibly some friends in high places. So you're going to want to have some construction done somewhere, anywhere, doesn't matter. Maybe a new house or a building being built. Then, most important part, while the foundation is being built of this building, you're going to have the cement poured, right? So you want to get that body in there before the cement's poured. You're going to need someone you trust for this one. Or, if you're construction-y, you can do it yourself. But they're going to pour that cement over that dead body, build the building on top of it. Body's never going to be able to be found because it's going to be under the new building. Now, in conclusion, you definitely shouldn't murder, kill, any of that. Really bad idea. Don't do it. But if you happen to have your hands on a body and you don't want to get caught, feel free to use these tips. And they're definitely going to help you get away with it. Honestly, they're really good tips. The whole point is to not get caught. So, stay safe and keep everything clean. Don't tell anyone, and make sure you're doing your own research. That is very important. You don't want to get caught, or it defeats the whole purpose of hiding the body. You went through all that work just to get caught and get in trouble. Now, really, really can't stress this enough. Don't tell anybody. Even a close best friend, you're like, oh, I killed someone. Well, that defeats the whole purpose. Now, that person has that information. They have to hide it from someone. They're probably going to tell their friends. Just all around bad idea. Now, a dead animal shouldn't be too hard to find on the side of the road. Or if you've already killed someone, you can just kill an animal, but I hate that more than killing a person. A simple phone call to the police station to report a body will lead to an all-out search, and paying for a house to be built will lead to a lot of cement. Hiding a body can really be easy when you think about it. I can't stress this enough. Please, 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 please don't murder anybody, especially after watching this and thinking, oh, you know what? Those are so smart. Now I can kill that person I wanted to kill. Don't do that. Please don't take that from this. This is meant to be satirical and only satirical. It is not meant for actual use. But with that being said, if you happen to end up in one of my true crime podcasts, you know, they're telling me about a dead body that was found under a dog or something like that, I'm not gonna lie and say that I won't be happy to sit back and listen to your story and know that it came from this. Thank you, everyone.